Good day, good morning, o good day to everyone. Now, ang gagawin po natin ngayon ay ah, tuturo ko po kung paano kayo ah, gumamit ng Paint application from the computer. Yung Paint apps, take a picture, take an image, and then copy and paste it on the PowerPoint slides. Copy and paste or cut and paste to your PowerPoint slide. Then that PowerPoint slide ay dadalhin mo naman sa Zoom at yung sa Zoom na yan, just share it. Click share and then you can share it the to everybody there in the Zoom. So let us start now. So to start with, I would like to share my screen so that you can be able to follow me. Ano po? So, okay. I would share my screen now. I'm sharing my screen now. Okay. That's my screen. Now, uh, the first thing is I would like to find an image that I would like to paste to the PowerPoint slide presentation. Okay, so I'll go now to uh, Google Chrome. Okay, let's say your browser is Google Chrome. So I have here now. That's the Google Chrome. See, now I would like to capture the all these thing, this kind of keyboard. One, two, three, four, five. The five keyboards. I would like to capture that and paste it on our PowerPoint presentation slide. Okay, what you're going to do is on your print screen on your keyboard, sa keyboard nyo, may makikita kayo dyan, print screen. PRTSCR. So, pindutin nyo yun. You have to press that once, only once. So, just like this, I'm pressing now the button. Yan, na-press ko na siya. Then, I will go now to Paint. So go to Programs, like that. Then, look for the Paint application program. Okay? If not, the easiest way to do is to search, then type paint, right? Okay. Then it will show up there, as you can see there. So just click on that, and then you see that you are now ready to paste right away the captured image from the Google Chrome. So you are ready to paste it here on the Paint application program right away, or by just simply right click and paste here. So that's the one now, right? This is the one. I pasted it here now. Now, the next thing that you are going to do is uh, you have to select a particular image. Of course, we don't want to take the other unnecessary image, right? We are only concerned with the keyboard, right? So we have to crop it. So click select. So the select is highlighted over there, this one, and then click crop. Okay, I click that. So you can see now this one, the crosshair. When you see that, you are ready now to crop the object that you wanted to cut or to get from the whole picture. So this one now, I'm going to get this and to cut this, or it's up to you, copy or paste. It's up to you. So I'm going to use for now is the cut. So it's already cut. And then go again here to the start programs and then click Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay. Now we are going to PowerPoint. If you cannot see in there, uh, again, you type here PowerPoint. Okay, right away it will show up there. So Microsoft, let's say Microsoft. Okay, that doesn't show more results. Okay, anyway, let's do this way. Okay, start programs, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, we are here now at Microsoft PowerPoint. What you're going to do is layout, click layout, blank, then make more slides. Okay, now I'm going here to the first slide. Ready to paste, right click, ready to paste now. Okay, that's now the keyboard that we have just taken or cut or crafted from the internet, right? Or by just simply, you know, that one, I just press there, the paste button. Okay, now we have to arrange it a little bit and then put something like any notes. Okay, you can put any notes, you color the notes, you highlight it, you underline it. It's up to you. Okay, there's the notes, and you drag it here from there or from here to there, anywhere you want to put it. Now, so that's the way now how to select, how to get a picture, how to get an image from the Google Chrome, from the internet. Click print screen on your keyboard. You can find it in the top right corner of your keyboard. Print screen once, only once, and then go to Paint application, paste it there. Right click paste, or this one is ready to paste anywhere. If you are in the application Paint, you can paste it there. Then after paste there, you have to crop it. I mean, you needed to crop because you are only after the the image particular, the specific image, right? You don't want the other background, right? That's why you need to crop it. It's very important to craft the image, the picture, so that the other, the other background is unnecessary for you, right? So you need to craft the image. After crafting it, and then you will, no, before that, you can see the crosshair. That means you are ready now to craft the image. And then you drag the crosshair, you drag it around the picture that you wanted to take. You drag it, you enlarge it, then right click cut or right click copy, and then paste it on the your PowerPoint slide. Now, if you are here now, for example, I am giving you another example. So this one, I need to craft this one and put it, oh, sorry, undo, undo. I wanted to resize that one. Okay, that's okay. Now I want to craft this one. No, I cannot craft it. I don't know why. So again, I press the print screen, and then uh, I press again the print screen, and then click paint, right? Paste it there. Now this is now the picture, but what we are after for is the particular. person only, not the whole background, right? So what you're going to do is to, oh, wait for a while. We need to crop it. We need to crop this one. Oh, why I cannot crop it? Just wait a second. Cut, paste, and then resize. No, I don't need to resize that. Now, we are crafting this now, okay? Okay, cut, okay. Now we go to PowerPoint slide again. Here, paste. So this is it now, okay? Now, my entire PowerPoint presentation is ready. We have to close it. Yes, to save. Uh, PowerPoint presentation. Station. How to, you, I am naming now the how to paste the image from how to paste the image from the paint application, which was taken from the internet. Okay, now what I'm doing here is I'm renaming this PowerPoint presentation on how to paste the image from the paint application, which was taken from the internet. You quick click save, and that's it. You're done. So we're done with this. We have to close. Don't save. Close this. Okay. And now, uh, this is now the. Okay, I'll go to my documents. Where's that? Refresh. Arranged by modified. Okay. This one that we have just done. Okay. This is the one. So that's the one. Okay. You see it now. So that's it. I hope you have learned today how to make a PowerPoint presentation, which the image, which the picture, image, or whatever was taken from any application. It could be in the internet, it could be from your picture, it could be from any file, even the Word file. You can print a screen that one. And then after print screen, you crop it. It is very important to crop it and then paste it on your PowerPoint slide. Then the most thing to do is when you are ready now, just simply share it to the Zoom. You click share, this one, new share. Okay, new share, and then when you have new share, so this is one now. I just click the new share, right? Click the share. Okay, this one, click the share, and then you will be sharing now this one. Okay, this one. Okay, slideshow from the beginning. You are sharing this one actually, right? See, You are now sharing that one. So that's all, my friends, my brothers and sisters. So thank you for watching my video instruction how to use the combination of paint paint shop application to your PowerPoint uh, presentation slides. So thank you and God bless. And I hope you have learned something today. Uh, until next then. Thank you and bye.